Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a temperature sensor on a Miele tumble dryer. If your tumble dryer is not heating correctly or it's cutting out during a cycle, then it's likely that the temperature sensor needs to be replaced. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I need to do is to remove the heater cover at the back of the appliance using a Torx screwdriver. With all the screws removed from the heater cover, I can then lift it off and put it to one side. And here we can see the heater, the thermostat, and the temperature sensor that we're going to be replacing. Now the temperature sensor is held in place by two metal tabs either side. So I'm just going to grab a pair of pliers and gently bend those back, meaning I can lift the temperature sensor out, disconnect the electrical connection, grab my new temperature sensor, connect the electrical connection to it, and then pop it back into place, and then very gently refold in those metal tabs. Once they're holding the temperature sensor in place, I can now replace the heater cover. So there we have it, one brand new temperature sensor fitted to this Miele tumble dryer. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.